how to repost a story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can repost a story on Instagram. So you can easily do this, okay? Now you can repost a story that you've been tagged in. So when someone tags you in their story, you would receive a notification via direct message. And where is the direct message located on Instagram? Move to the top right corner where you can see the message icon, and then you'll see your messages, your chats here. So if someone tags you in their story, you would receive a notification via direct message. You just tap on the notification to open the story, and then once you open the story, click the add to story button, edit the story if you'd like, tap share, and then the story will be reposted to your own story. I hope that is clear. It is very simple actually. You can just do that. Okay. And then if perhaps you have archived some stories before in your profile and you wish to repost them, then move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, and then on the profiles page you can see some options like post, follow, as etc. So just scroll up a little, then by scrolling up a little, some icons would appear by the top right corner. Move to the right side, click on the three horizontal lines, and then here you can see the archive option located under saved. Click on archive, and you'll see all the posts you've archived here. Then go to the top part of the screen where you can see post archive. Click on it, then select stories archive. Then here you can now see the stories that you've archived, so select the one that you would like to repost, and also move to the right side of the screen, the bottom right side, click on the more option. Then you can see share as post, share, send to. So select share as post and wait for it to load, and you'll be asked to crop the photo if you want. Move to the top right corner, click on the arrow icon, and then you'll be able to repost this particular story. Alright, so this is it. Okay, it is very simple, so just try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good